Forget about the AI chatbot war. Europe just launched a 30 billion euro race that could decide who controls the future of artificial intelligence. You got that correctly and right. The European Union is investing around 50 billion euros not to build another chatbot, but to build the infrastructure that powers AI itself or artificial intelligence itself. Now, listen, we are talking about massive AI data centers, advanced chips, and enough computing power to compete with the United States and mighty China. Why does this really matter? It matters because every AI model from ChatGPT to the next breakthrough startup, it depends on a powerful computing infrastructure. Yes, so this could be a major opportunity for the semiconductor companies, cloud computing providers, and investors looking for the next wave of AI growth. This is why you need to pay attention. I want to tell you that the AI race is no longer just about who builds the smartest model. It is about now who owns the machines that make AI possible, if not accessible. The biggest fortunes of the AI era may not come from AI apps, but from the companies building the foundation now. Listen, if you think and still waiting to learn AI, you are already falling behind. Start learning AI today because the future belongs to those who know how to use it properly, appropriately. Follow Graham Signal for practical AI and financial insights that keep you ahead of the curve.